Hi, Happy New Year. I am starting here with the Southern tradition of collard greens, black-eyed peas, and cornbread. Now, did you know that collard greens were prehistoric? That's how old they are. They are from Greece, originally from Greece, part of the cabbage family, related to kale. So you know what? That means they're good for you. But these collard greens can really help improve your bone health. 1 cup of collard greens provides 770 micrograms of vitamin K. Now, the daily recommended value for women is 90 micrograms, and for men, 120 micrograms. So you can see just how important those could be for your bone health. So if you're struggling in that area, add some collard greens to your diet. They'll also help lower your cholesterol. They can help reduce some forms of cancer. Great for your liver, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, you get it. They're super good for you. So you're really starting your New Year's off super healthy with these collard greens. And then, of course, the black-eyed pea. Now, the black-eyed peas are considered lucky because General Sherman came swooshing through the South and he demanded all the crops destroyed, with the exception of the black-eyed pea, because he thought they were only fit for livestock. And because of that, the black-eyed pea helps save a lot of lives. A lot of people survive that cold, long winter with black-eyed peas because they also are packed with so much incredible goodness for you. 1 cup of black-eyed peas provides you with 23% of your daily value of iron, 16% of your daily value of calcium, 13 grams of protein, and 11 grams of fiber in 1 cup of black-eyed peas. So because of this iron, they can help prevent anemia. They lower your risk of lower your blood pressure. They help with skin and hair health. And farmers love to grow them because they provide nitrogen back into the soil. Now, black-eyed peas are still fed to livestock because they provide all of that goodness they provide to us. You know, that livestock loves that protein and all of that greatness too. Packed with potassium, magnesium. Again, you get it. All of the good stuff. So you're really starting your New Year's Day really super healthy. Now, in this trilogy that brings you wealth and prosperity into the new year, the collard greens are considered the green folding money. The black-eyed peas are considered the coins, and the cornbread is considered the gold. So I want to wish everybody wealth, prosperity, happiness, laughter, joy, health, and especially really good food into the new year. So from Gary's Galley, from me, from everybody here on Steal Away, thank you so much for the support that you showed me last year, for how much you helped me grow last year. And I can't wait for this new year and the adventures that we're going to see together and the food that we're going to have together. I'm really looking forward to this new year, and I wish everybody a wonderful new year. Thank you so much.